1998年，国务院确定由天津开发区承担在苏伊士建设开发区的项目。中埃苏伊士经贸合作区被当地人称为泰达。泰达合作区的标识设计成为了一朵一米花的造型。一米花在埃及传说当中被视为顽强、信念、奇迹的一个象征。我们希望在这里书写奇迹。2008年合作区创立以来，我们紧抓基础设施建设和产能合作。泰达合作区逐渐成为连接中国“一带一路”和埃及苏伊士运河走廊经济带的示范性的项目。区内代表企业之一的巨石埃及公司，是埃及当地最大的中资制造类型的企业之一。目前该项目投资已经超过了9亿美金，年产能达到了34万吨，是非洲大陆最大的玻璃纤维生产基地，不但填补了整个中东、北非地区的玻璃纤维制造行业的空白，也使埃及一跃成为世界玻纤生产大国。
We can say by end of 2022 last year, our dream become reality. As we started to operate the new line 305, so our production capacity reached to the maximum to 360,000 tons per year, and by this way Egypt become the fourth production unit in the world for produce fiberglass, and by this way have good benefits for economic sides for Egypt, and have good opportunity for our Egyptian staff to join here the company.
合作区从产业集群向产商协同持续升级。2021年以来合作区成功推动埃及境内首个中资保税仓项目正式运营，同时着力打造国际商品集散中心和汽车零部件的集散中心。
We have been to China before to have got a good training, to have seen the experience on reality in Tianjin Tether. Then we began to transfer the experience from China to be here in Egypt. My coach here in the company was a very professional one. He taught me a lot, but step by step we have already received the full knowledge, full information about how to do this improvement. So I become like a good expert how to develop and to improve industry zones.
قناة السويس نفسها مكمل رئيسي لنجاح الالتزام والطريق. ازاي كده هتقدر تستقطب استثمارات اخرى في العديد من القطاعات المطلوبه زي الادويه، زي الماده الفعاله، زي صناعه السيارات، زي البتروليات، زي الهيدروجين الاخضر.